Okay, so we have the creamy chive chicken. That looks yummy. Can't wait to try it. And we have Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. It came with, what is this? I guess it's just going over a review. Okay, and then these are coupons. I already looked in there. So it comes insulated. And when you open it, it's cold. So this is the creamy chive chicken. It's cute, you guys. And this is the Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. And let's see, it says, do not forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. Wow, that's why it's so cold. So it's ice pack. Okay, so this is the sweet Italian pork sausage that will go with the spaghetti. And this is the chicken breast. There's two. Okay, and then there's more ice. All right, and that's it. So the ingredients must all be in here, in the bags. Interesting. Well, this is part one of the video, so I will see you guys when I cook these meals. Hello everyone, my name is Rhea and welcome to my channel, Rhea's Glam Life. Today we're going to be cooking a meal from HelloFresh. The meal is Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. I ordered this from my FabFitFun box. I got a code for $90 off. They break the $90 off into weeks, so this is my first week. Out of the package I have spaghetti, Parmesan cheese, a yellow onion, parsley, red pepper, bell pepper that is, and what else is in there? Oh, I can't forget the sausage. It's somewhere. That is chicken stock, and the sausage is somewhere. But this is what came out of the brown bag. Oh, and the diced tomatoes. So I have everything put together and I've already washed my onion, and right now I'm just cutting it and slicing it to prep my meal. Everything in this package smelled so good and fresh. That's one thing that I was worried about. When the package was delivered, it was ice packs in the box, so everything was still at a good temperature. So don't worry about that. Next, I'm cutting up the red bell pepper. Once again, I've already washed all of this stuff, so guys, don't worry about that. Everything that I'm cutting up has already been washed. If I'm about to cut it, it's been washed. But I'm slicing that up. I'm getting ready to put that into the pot. I'm also going ahead and slicing up the parsley. This is my first time cooking with parsley, so I was kind of iffy about how it's supposed to be cut and what parts are you not supposed to eat, but I guess you can eat like the whole thing. So I cut that up into pieces, and your girl was slicing and dicing in the kitchen. So I am ready to get this meal started. Next, what we're going to do is take the sausage out of the casings. Now, when I originally got the sausage, I had no clue that it was wrapped inside something. I thought that I was supposed to like cut it up, like slice it into slices. But no, this recipe calls for you to take it out of the casings, and we're going to crumble it into the pan when it's time for it to get into the pan. So I'm taking all of the sausage out of the casings, getting ready to make this meal. By the way, doing that part was so disgusting to me, but I got it done. So we've moved on to the stove. They sent this spice stuff to put into the pan. I was supposed to put half of it in their pan and then half later. So I have my bell peppers and my onions and this Tuscan spice sauteing in the pan. You let it saute for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's soft to how you like your vegetables. I don't like my vegetables mushy, so I didn't let it simmer for too long. And I'm just stirring that around, making sure that all pieces get coated with some of that seasoning, and make sure all pieces get cooked so that I won't be chewing on raw veggies. I'm throwing the spaghetti noodles in the pot, and now it's time to add the sausage and a little bit of more oil. So we're really starting to cook now, you guys. We've added the meat for this meal into the pan, and now it's time to get down to the nitty gritty. So I'm crumbling that up as it cooks. I want to cook all of it until it is completely brown. Not burnt, but brown. So now we're adding the diced tomatoes into the pan. I have the sausage all brown. So we're just adding that to the pan to start to make our sauce. Now we're going to add the other half of the Tuscan spice into the pan, and we're going to mix it all in. So at some point, I must have edited it out, but I added chicken stock and water into a measuring cup, and so I'm just adding that to the sauce. Now we just have to let this simmer and let this sauce thicken up a bit and before we add our noodles to it. So now it is steaming, it's bubbling, and it's thick enough. So now it's ready for the noodles to be added to it. So I'm just gonna add all of the spaghetti noodles and mix it all in to make sure all the noodles are covered with sauce. And then once that is all done, I'm going to transfer everything over to the bigger pot. If you're wondering what's white on the spoon, it's a little bit of flour. Flour is tasteless. So if you're trying to thick up any type of sauce, just add a little flour to it and it'll thicken it up a lot quicker. Now that I've transferred everything over to the bigger pot, I'm gonna add half of the parsley and half of the Parmesan cheese and mix it all in. And then once we do that, guys, this meal is ready to be eaten. I'm gonna show you the finished product right after this clip.